I'm Letitia McCadden with USGBC here with Kate Diamond of HDR, who's going to tell us a little bit about her philosophy, her company's philosophy of sustainability. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Well, we are definitively committed. We have been one of the earliest members of USGBC. We signed on early. We became one of the first to sign on for the 2030 challenge. But like many companies, the promise has not been 100% fulfilled. So we have a responsibility to really be taking this process and embedding it into all of our projects. And I think we've made enormous strides this past year. We have a fantastic team leading our sustainability effort, but what we've come to realize is that if every team on every project doesn't buy into that responsibility, they don't use the tools, the modeling, the resources that we have, we can't get there without the buy-in of every team. So this year's, we're really changing the way we integrate sustainability into every project.
So I wanted to ask you, how does your company anticipate working with LEED in the future in our other rating systems?
Well, we're a global company. And so first of all, we use LEED, we use BREEAM, we use a range of rating systems. And rating systems are extraordinarily useful as a reminder, not a checklist because we want to chase points, but because it reminds us to deal with the full range of issues that are part of sustainability. In California, where I practice most of the time, we're really committed to LEED and have been taking the lead in the other sense of the word in promoting that. And so we're excited because we're almost 100% of our non-healthcare projects are aiming for LEED certification. Our biggest challenge is HDR is in the world of hospitals and healthcare, we're in the world of science and technology, and we're in the world of civic engagement. And our civic clients, including our corrections clients and courthouse clients, all demand LEED ratings for their projects. Our science and technology clients, probably 90% of them do. Our healthcare clients, probably 90% of them don't. And so part of our goal is to use it, even when our client isn't asking for it, as a process for elevating the performance of our designs.
Also, could you tell us more about a recent project or initiative in sustainability that your company completed?
So I never can tell one. So okay. I'm going to tell a couple.
Yeah.
So the first one that I really want to give credit to our Director of Sustainability, Colin Rolfing, because this year our reporting on our results from 2030 Challenge are hugely more accurate. Not necessarily to a place that makes us happy, but at least we know where we are, and that which you don't measure, you cannot improve. So that was a really big step. He's also really elevated our use of early modeling tools. We have our own that we developed in-house called REPS, for Rapid Energy Prototyping, and we use it even in our marketing pursuits, so we use it as early as possible to be thinking about place and site and climate. And then we're using Sapphira and we're using all of the AutoCAD, Autodesk tools with Revit to be testing pieces. So I think engaging modeling earlier has been a really important part of our initiative. And last but not least, we really believe in giving back to communities, and GreenZone with building, design, and construction was an amazing opportunity to find a triple bottom line. A lot of our projects are for big institutional clients. To design something for Compton Youth Build in one of the underserved communities of Los Angeles, where they're training students to complete their high school degree and to be ready for work, is an amazing economic justice, social justice aspect, and to bring sustainability into it where they can bring it to their community and to their students and grow a whole new generation committed to sustainability. It's kind of a really sweet project.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So looking ahead to 2017, what are some initiatives, products, or services that your company is going to utilize to further the movement in sustainability?
Well, we're I think as one of the design leaders at HDR, I'm particularly excited by a focus on bringing all of our design leadership up in their sustainable commitments, skills, their knowledge of the resources that we have within HDR to take sustainability further. So we're looking to do some workshops, we're looking to really elevate that aspect of design leadership, because designers tend to be the ones at the beginnings of projects setting the tone, setting the direction, and if we can imbue that process with sustainable tools and goals and performance, we will change the quality of what we're doing. And we have the opportunity on a couple of projects where our clients are urging us to achieve net zero energy and net zero water, and to go for LEED Platinum, and perhaps to go for 3 petals on the Living Building Challenge. Those are amazing opportunities to take it to the next level.
Awesome. And then finally, my favorite question, what's your favorite part of being here at Greenbuild? What's the best part?
Again, I refuse to be limited to one, so I'll pick 2. First of all, the expo floor has a range of new and improving products that are amazing and really exciting to get to know. I'm a practitioner. I use these things every day. Second of all, I'm seeing so many friends from around the country here, and it's just delightful to reconnect, to hear what they're doing, to explore collaboratively and open source our best ideas. It's really a thrill.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you.